We are the TravelMakerQueens, and this is how you travel Northern Laos.
So after traveling for a month in Thailand, documenting and vlogging everything, we have decided to continue to our next destination, a country just around the corner, Laos. We have landed in the beautiful Luang Prabang, which by the way made our dreams come true. It turned us into millionaires. 1 million kip, the local currency, is only around $100, yet it felt great with around 1.5 million out of the ATM. Luang Prabang is actually very different from the rest of Laos, so it kinda misled us about the general country vibe. It's a former French colony, and you can definitely feel the European influence. It's very touristic, easy and comfortable for the Western traveler. Spoiler alert, the rest of Laos, not that much. So what can you do in this beautiful place? Well, Luang Prabang has a curfew, so all stores, bars and restaurants close at 11 p.m. You can hang out in the beautiful riverside bar Utopia, from where you can continue to the only place that's opened after 11, the bowling alley. It might be funner than you think. And now to the most important part, which makes Luang Prabang such a great travel destination, the waterfalls. There are two main ones referred to as the big waterfalls and the small waterfalls, and well, they feel like arriving to heaven. One last thing that Luang Prabang is known for is the Alms Ceremony, a Buddhist tradition where the monks roam the streets in silence and receive offerings of food from the locals, and that's everything they eat during the day. You can wake up early and go watch it happening at 5:30 a.m. at the main streets of the city and near the temples. It was beautiful to see. Just try to be respectful and not film too much, especially not with flash, which unfortunately we witnessed a lot of tourists do.
So, if you are looking to travel out, there is something you probably heard of. It's called the Gibbon experience, and it's basically a 2 or 3 day ziplining trek in the middle of the jungle. We chose the Express 2 days option, and it was once in a lifetime experience. It is actually the first time we ever zipline, and doing it in the jungle with those crazy views was a lot of fun. It was 2 days of beautiful challenging hikes in the jungle and over 20 zip lines. We spent the night at one of Asia's biggest tree houses, which was also something we will always remember. The treehouse felt warm and homey, and the open shower with the jungle views was definitely the best shower of our lives. We watched the gorgeous sunset, had dinner, drank Lao whiskey, and played card games with all the amazing people we met there.
After the trek and 2 long days on the road on endless buses, Nepal got a bit sick. We decided to take a few days to chill and get better in one of the most beautiful villages in Laos, Nong Khiaw. The views there were just incredible. We didn't do any of the travel attractions, yet we had amazing time resting and gazing at the beauty of the river and the mountains.
So I got better, and we continued to explore Laos. We took a few more buses to Vang Vieng, the party town of Laos. Vang Vieng is the only place where you don't have the 11 p.m. curfew, which makes it a desirable destination for young backpackers who want to have fun. Though it's not all fun and parties, it's surrounded by beautiful nature and a lot of natural lagoons and viewpoints. Our biggest recommendation, the absolute highlight of Vang Vieng, is the river tubing. It might sound like a relaxed floating down the river experience, but it's actually a big, fun party. While the tubing is very relaxing in some part of the way, where you just lay back on the tube and enjoy the views, there are also multiple stops at the bars along the river, where everybody drinks, dance, play drinking games, and enjoy bonfires. Prepare yourself for a long, hilarious day of drinking, laughing, and meeting people. You will have a lot of fun, even if you are not the biggest party animal. It's definitely something that can't be missed.